ready, set, go. All right, so the first one we're going to start off here, I've gone to Google Docs, and if you're really just starting out with Google Docs, and maybe this isn't the perfect thing for you, but docs.google.com will get you there. And it'll allow you to come in, make yourself a name, your Python adventure, and then here you can go ahead and start typing up your story and add in all the details you want. And since I was saying before that we want to kind of do as many things as we can on a Chromebook, which makes it very accessible, we're also going to do our flowchart inside of this. So if you go to Google docs.google. I'll add these links in the classroom, but docs.google/drawings. Sorry, docs.google.com/drawings. This will let you come to this page, and it'll automatically start a new file for you. Here I'm going to do this one as my flowchart. The other one I think I'm going to call my story, so that we can keep them a little bit more clear. The story, and your story is really just kind of a place to kind of brainstorm. You can kind of do a lot of different ideas in there. It's essentially Word if you haven't used it for the web. Now what I'm going to do inside of here is I'm going to use the shapes. So I can come into here and I can either choose boxes or squares and ovals if I'd like. And by just creating one of the boxes, I can very quickly kind of put in a little bit of information about the story. So on mine, it's going to be that you're kind of a castaway and you don't remember who you are. So wake up on a beach. And then you're going to be asked to go to either the jungle or the wreck. Now once you've created this, you can go ahead and make other boxes and other decisions that are going to happen. But your storyline is really in the story document. Here you're just kind of doing a short version of it that isn't quite as descriptive, but lets you know how the flow of your story and your program is going to be. So let me add in just 2 more shapes so I can give you a quick idea of what it's going to be. Here I can make another one, and I can say if you go to the jungle, welcome to the jungle, and then I would have the rest of the information there. Now if I want to connect these two, there's an option here to use different arrows. I can do a direct line, or I can use an elbow connector. The curved ones I tend to like a little bit better, but it's all up to your own preference. If you click, and the important thing here is to click and drag, it'll let you click and drag and connect different pieces. So this is really nice because now if I move this one around, if I click off, and think of this as sort of like you're doing this in PowerPoint, which is another option you could do. I can click and drag this around now and it's all kind of connected. If I wanted to come down and really kind of adjust the size of it, or if the flowchart gets really too big, I can do it down here as well. But being able to give this different choices is really important because I want to be able to see the full flow of this. An example of one I'll attach to the classroom so you can go and see an example of a really detailed one. But your choices are your choices, and you're the one creating the story and how it's going to play out. So think about how you're going to do that. It's pretty exciting.